Again, we're working in the code.org platform and we are making our websites, and I'm going to show you how to do emojis in HTML. Well, the problem is what we have to do is we have to call in a character set for emojis. So we have to go to our head where we linked our CSS, which is where we store our metadata, and we need to type in meta, then character set. And the way we type that in, you can see code.org brings a menu up, but CHARSET. And we need to call in a character set. And you can see that they have some preloaded ones in this one, but we want UTF-8. And then we're going to close out this tag here. So what we've done is we've told our HTML page that we're going to be working in that character set. Now, each emoji has its own code. So for an example, there's a decimal or a hexadecimal code for each emoji. So I'm going to paste in my paragraph here, and I have the decimal code that you can see for my emoji. It starts off with an and pound sign, or hashtag sign as you probably know it as, and then 128512. And what you're going to see that does is it creates a smiley face emoji. Now there's a whole list, and I'm going to bring this on screen now. W3 Schools, I'm going to put this link in the chat, of the decimal and hexadecimal for every emoji that exists. And again, I'm not going to spend a tremendous amount of time, but we're just going to grab this one here. I'm going to copy that in, and you're going to notice I'm going to go in that same paragraph. Actually, I'm going to create a new paragraph so I can do it on a new line. I'm going to do that and, or ampersand as it's called, and my hashtag. I'm going to paste that hexadecimal in. I'm going to do my semicolon. I'm going to close out my paragraph so I can have it on its own line. And you can see I have my emoji. Now, if you want to change your font size, just like any other text, we're going to go to our CSS. Now, our emojis are defined in our paragraph tags here. So if I go to my style sheet, I'm going to create a P, open bracket, and I can go simply font size. I can do something like 128 pixels. And I can see my emojis now are 128. If I can increase my font size, because again, emojis act just like text. So if I wanted to do something like text align, center, we could also, again, it gets styled just like text. Now, because we're dealing with emojis in this and it works just like text, this is where we might want to use our class tags. So I could identify this as a class, and we could say, let's say emoji 1, emoji 1. So then I could close that class out. I could come to my style sheet. I could go period, emoji 1 class that I created. I'm just going to copy what I already created here. And I'm going to change my font size. Now let's go to 100 and let's go text align right. What you're going to notice is emoji 1 follows that class rule, where emoji 2, because it's in a paragraph, follows the general rule for all paragraphs. So again, if you decide to add emojis, it might be worthwhile to learn the class tag as well, so you can organize your emojis and get your desired effect.